Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Isai and I post law school related videos, travel vlogs, and random videos. Today's video is another episode of our 5 at 5 series, 5 minutes of talk at 5 in the morning. Our topic for today is how I survived law school. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first reason how I survived law school is because of a very good support system. My support system consisted of my family, my friends, and of course, Jed. Okay, so when it comes to my family, I have a sister who is also a lawyer. She was the one who I most often than not had to call during the difficult days in law school. I don't know how many times I called my sister throughout my years in law school, but I'm sure that I called her more times during my last 2 years in law school than my previous years, because those were the hardest for me, like for reviews, bar review subjects, and all of that. But my other two sisters, I had also experiences of randomly calling them and crying on the phone while I was in law school or in my car or wherever, expressing how I felt, and it was really comforting to have sisters whom you can talk to and who listen to you and give you sound advice. In law school, it's not really just about studying. You're gonna experience so many challenges, maybe failed grades, maybe failed subject, bad recitation, random difficult days that you just can't deal with stuff. And then for my friends, of course, my friends in law school, my friends in high school, my friends in college, they were all instrumental. And also, my now fiancé, Jed, was really helpful to me as well in law school because he was non-imposing with his time, and he understood when I had to study and I had to do things without him and also with him if I want him to be beside me sometimes when I'm studying. A really good support system. People who listen to you and try to understand you, your situation, would be very beneficial for your survival in law school. The second reason why I survived law school is because I took breaks. I regularly scheduled breaks, like days of break, such as travels while in law school. Some people might think that it's too much, but if you don't prioritize break, the stress of law school or just generally life itself would get to you and would get to you mentally, and that is not the goal of law school. Law school has the tendency to make you lose it. You, as a student, you have to prioritize yourself as well and your mental health, your emotions, and try to do things that would help you keep your mind off of all those stresses. It may not be travels just like what I did. It may be days off to read books, to go home, to just do something different because you need that. You're a person, you're not just a law student. The third thing that helped me survive law school was determination. Determination to just push on, to move on even though I don't feel like it. The thing that goes into my mind when I think about determination is that if other people believe in you, in your capabilities, in your skills, in your talents, in who you are, then you should believe yourself more. Because sometimes we tend to be too critical about ourselves, too critical about our capabilities, our abilities. But in reality, if we just, focus ourselves on our determination to pursue things, then eventually, little by little, we'll get there. The fourth thing that helped me survive law school was through my faith, my prayers, by believing that there is a higher being that looks after us and who knows what's best for us and whom you can trust. Deep and genuine faith in God really helped me push on, knowing that there are greater things out there and that all things happen for a reason. Last but not the least, what helped me survive law school was knowing that law school is not everything. Okay, so this might be a little bit ironic to what the topic really is, but know that you're more, as I've mentioned before, know that you're more than law school. You're more than just a law student. It is really important to know that you have to prioritize yourself and your well-being before law school. I keep on repeating this over and over again, but again, if you're sick, if you get sick, physically, mentally, what's the purpose of all this? There's no sense, right? There's no sense in working hard, in studying hard, in working smart, studying smart, if eventually you're just gonna get sick. So learn to prioritize yourself, your well-being. Take things holistically, look at things holistically, and know that you are not solely defined by law school. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you again soon. TTYL.